It's time for the $0 decorating challenge for spring. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today I'm happy to announce that it's time once again for the $0 decorating challenge for spring. Now you're asking to yourself,
what is $0 decorating challenge?
Easy. All you have to do is go through your house and decorate a room, a space, a bookshelf, anything. But the whole challenge is to decorate it without spending any money. None whatsoever. Use what you already have in your house to decorate your house. I mean, it's just like shopping in your own home. Going through the things that you already have to use in maybe a different way this time. Then when you do, make a video of it and put it on YouTube, and I will add you to our playlist. So you're saying, when does this start? Well, the $0 decorating challenge playlist will go live on March 21st. Yep, the first day of spring will be when the $0 decorating challenge playlist goes live. You can be a part of it too. Just let me know when your video is all up and ready after the 21st or on the 21st, and I will add you to the playlist. This is something which is so much fun to do because you can look at your stuff in a different way, and you get to shop your home, you get to have a whole fresh look without spending a penny. It's just one of those cool things because this is one of those challenges where you have to have what it takes to do it. Do you have what it takes? I know you do. Try it, let me know down in the comments, and we will do this really fun. So keep an eye out for that. Like I said, it comes up on March 21st, and that's when that playlist will go live, and I'm going to be doing my own video, which will show you what I did. And I hope I get to see you again on the $0 decorating challenge for spring 2019. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.